How to fix iMazing not uninstalling on Mac. Here's a script file that you can use to uninstall iMazing from a Mac. #bin/bash #uninstall iMazing on Mac #quit iMazing if it's currently running. If grep x iMazing/dev/null, then echo iMazing is currently running. Please quit the application before continuing. Exit 1 #remove the iMazing application echo uninstalling iMazing. Sudo rmrf/application/iMazing.app #remove the iMazing support files echo removing iMazing support files. Sudo rmrf$home/library/application support/iMazing sudo rmrf$home/library/caches/com.DigiDNA.iMazing. Sudo rmrf$home/library/caches/com.plausiblelabs.crashreporter.data/com.DigiDNA.iMazing. Sudo rmrf$home/library/cookies/com.DigiDNA.iMazing.binarycookies. Sudo rmrf$home/library/log/iMazing sudo rmrf$home/library/preferences/com.DigiDNA.iMazing.plist. Sudo rmrf$home/library/preferences/com.plausiblelabs.crashreporter.data/com.DigiDNA.iMazing.plist. Echo iMazing has been successfully uninstalled. Exit 0 to use the script. Open a text editor, such as TextEdit, and copy and paste the code above into a new file. Save the file with a.sh. extension, example uninstall-imazing.sh. Then, open the terminal app on your Mac and navigate to the directory where you saved the script file using the cd command. For example, if you saved the file on your desktop, you can type cd/desktop and press enter. Next, make the script executable by typing the following command and pressing enter, mod+x uninstall-imazing.sh. Finally, run the script by typing the following command and pressing enter, /uninstall-imazing.sh. Follow the prompts to uninstall iMazing from your Mac.